Traders, we are entering the final 2 weeks of June, and I believe this could be the most important period of the month. Why? Because gold is currently sitting at a point where the next major move could determine how we enter July and the second half of 2026. The market has been incredibly resilient, but here's the question nobody seems to be asking. Is gold preparing for another explosive rally, or is smart money quietly taking profit before a deeper correction? Let's break down exactly what the US fundamentals and charts are exactly telling us. If we see on the fundamental parts, we have to see a macro picture. The biggest driver for gold remain interest rate expectation, market expectation. If you see that market continue to watch every economic release for clues about future Federal Reserve policy. If incoming shows slowing momentum and softer inflation pressure, each expectation for easier monetary policy could increase. So understand you have to mostly focus on price action, resistance and support. Okay, price action, we have seen that the price is on the upside, but from this particular level, we have seen from 4 months it is downside. Trail your SL so your profit will be safe, and put your SL on every trade you put so that at least you will be able to trade when it is in your favor, the market is in your favor. Okay, you have to understand that historically has been positive for gold. The second major factor is US dollar. Over the past few weeks, we have seen period of US dollar strengthening temporary pressures on precious gold, while dollars start weakening into the month end, which attracts another wave for institutional buying. And as well as what we have seen, a global uncertainty. Whether it's global tensions or government debt concern or slower economic growth, investors continue to view gold as safe haven. That is why every dip has attracted buyers. The fundamental picture remains supportive. If you see the technical part, this is a monthly chart on TradingView. We have seen from 4 weeks there is a continuous fall. The previous 2 months, what we have seen, if you see the green candles, these are the candle where we have seen a huge movement at $5586 and a low which is below a level of 4400. If you see this particular chart, we have seen from 4 months continuously there is a downside, but this is the bigger candle which is showing a bearish engulfing pattern with a high of $5428 with a low of 4108. It is almost 1300 movement of gold in a single month. Okay, otherwise if you see, we have not seen much of a movement compared to what we have seen in this particular month. That means gold can move up to this percentage also in a particular month. So you have to remember, if you put your SL or trailing SL, you have to understand your quantity, how much it should be. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, this particular month we have seen around $500 movement, but previous month, it is not much of a movement compared to what we have seen in this particular month as well as the fourth previous months. Now looking at this particular chart, what you can see, if you look at this technicals, we have seen that on the monthly time frame, we have seen the bigger trend remain bullish, but from 4 months there is a continuous downside. Higher high and higher low continue to dominate the structure. However, after such a strong move earlier this year, gold is beginning to show sign of consolidation, and consolidation usually means one thing: the market is preparing for its next major decision. On the upside, recent high remain is the key resistance area. If buyer can break above those high with strongly weekly momentum, what we can see a develop towards the end of the June. On the downside, there is a major support zone formed by recent swings low. Okay, so if the supports breaks, gold could experience a healthy correction before continuing its longer term trend. What you have to look here, one thing that traders have to watch carefully on the volume and candle closes. Okay, a breakout without momentum is also a trap. A key is confirmation, not prediction. Okay, the market has been extremely effective of punishing traders who enter too early. Understand that this is the particular chart. If you see, there is a continuous upside trend, what we have seen from 2022. there was a pattern is being created, a U pattern, but as of now what you have seen, there is a continuous upside. Okay, what we have seen in this particular chart, that there is a 4 months candle continuously on the downside. There is a probability that we can see this particular month also, the next month also, there is a probability that we can see a red candle, because three red candles means there is a probability of fourth candle can also be red. Okay, after making a half round around 5600, the price has come down, trading around 4155 as of now. We have seen a swing as formed. 4136 is the next support. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, chances will be high that we can see there can be a further fall. As of now, this is the zone where the price is moving. But once started going below this level, we can see the price can go further low towards a level of around after 5159 4159. We can see it can come down towards a level of $4097. Three green red candles are forming, so probability of fourth red candle is very high. Okay, so if the price move below 4097, we can see there can be a further fall, which is support 1. And once started going below this level, we can see a level of around $4007. Okay, and once the price goes below that particular level, we can see it can move towards S2, which is support 2. Okay, and if the price started going below that particular level, we will see a level of around $3897. And if the price started going below that level, a further fall also can be seen, which is support 3. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, we can see that a swing can form, and from there a further upside can be there if it started going above a level of 4400. But as of now, the strong level is around $34.49, which I have already explained you in this particular zone. So after 40.27, there is a probability that the price will go directly towards $38.78, which is a strong level, and then it can move directly towards 34.99. Understand 34.99 is a very important level, because after 2008 we have seen the price has come down. Okay, at this same pattern we have seen in this particular month. Okay, or this particular year what we have seen, so there is a higher chances that the price can come to this level of around $34.99. So remember that if you trail your SL, that is the important thing. As of now, the price is continuously on the downside. Okay, so till the time the price is not going above 43.57, we cannot see on the upside that the price can go further upside. Okay, because what we have seen in 2808, that the price has made a sharp fall, as well as what we have seen similar in 2020. The price has come down, but not the way what we have expected in 28, as well as what we have seen in as of now 2026. So chances are very high that the price can go further low. Till the time the price is not moving over 43.57, we will not see that the price can go further upside. So trailing your SL is very important. If it started going towards 35.04, that is the point where we can see a buying can if it started going upside. And once the price started going above a level of 4300, there is a probability of that we can see the price can move upside. As of now, we will not see that the price can go further upside. Looking at this chart, what you can see, okay, as what I believe that right now liquidity or the stop loss sitting above resistance high, and there is stop loss sitting what we have seen below recent low. The market moving towards liquidity before revealing its true direction. What the first move during the final weeks of June may not be the real move. Don't be surprised if we see a temporary spike higher or lower before the market come into trend. Okay, 42.36 is an important level. Understand which is a resistance 1, and 43.60 which is a resistance 2. And once the price sustain above this level, then there we can see the price is trying to go on a bullish side. So 45.45 is an important level, and once started going above that level and sustain above 46.05, then you can say yes, there is a probability that the price can move further upside and the trend can move towards higher side. Looking at this chart is a very important thing, that it is showing a continuous downtrend from 4 months. Okay, so once the price move over 43.97 or 43.57, you can see yes, a pattern will support an upside, and we can see that a further upside can be seen. So what on what expectation we can see, but that the next month should be a green candle and should sustain above 43.95. That is where we can see that the price can, or the gold can start bullish trend. That is very important. Okay, now over my what I can feel that above 43.97 we can see a bullish trend, but if it started going below a level of 40.97, we can see a further downfall. Okay, so if you enjoy this gold analysis, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. As of now, what we have seen, this is the particular trend which is the price of gold is moving. So probability of touching 3500 will be there as soon as it started going up below 3800. Okay, because this is the pattern it is following. So bullish is above 43.57, and if it keep moving upside, if the next candle turn out to be green, but if it started going down below a level of 38.97, we can see a further downfall, or 40.97. This is an important level that if it started going below that level, we can see there can be a further downfall. Okay, and do you think gold finishes June above